Hello Fumi Nation. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. We have an exciting episode because it is one of the first, I think this year, of Fumi's Red Carpet Fashion Police 2021. Yes, my darlings. The 2021 Met Gala theme is a tribute to American fashion, to American designers, to everything American. American culture, red, white, and blue, the cowboy, old Hollywood. That was the theme for the celebrities to walk down the red carpet, interpret that for us to critique. What am I wearing, darlings? I am wearing We Are Africa because I am truly an African American. I am an American citizen and I am also African. And I love this beautiful blouse interpretation of America for me, American culture. It's African American for me. It's African and I am also very, very much American. So I have decided for the first time back, we're keeping it all glam. We're keeping it very fabulous. And we have what? The 10 most fabulous looks, in my humble opinion, that swept that red carpet. I was just like, oh wow. Without a beat, let's get into who? Sweetie. Sweetie looked sensational wearing $10 million worth of diamonds. Pink, blingy, glistening, showed off her sensational figure as far as I am concerned. I loved how it draped behind her. She said it took 24 hours for them to make this. And she also held homage to her heritage, which I thought was fantastic. It was designed by Christian Cohen, and I think he did a good job on this cut out silhouette for Sweetie. I loved her hair, bling in her hair. I loved the fact that the hair was short. It also gave me a little bit of Marilyn Monroe, and we had two Marilyn Monroes also on the red carpet. I lived for it because Marilyn Monroe truly is the epitome of American culture. Yeah. I loved Sweetie. Billie Eilish. Billie was modern Monroe. And she was also a co-chair. It was so nice to see her from her usual get up. It was nice to see her glamorous. It was nice to see that she has a figure and her bust line, and she was wearing all of those diamonds. She looked absolutely gorgeous. I think that this is one of those looks for Billie Eilish that she should keep. I mean, you can do your grunge, mama. I was there when grunge was happening in the 90s and I lived for it, but I also live for the glam. And Billie, you looked good. I loved the dress. I loved the off the shoulder. I loved the silhouette, and I loved the big and the huge tail. You really killed it on the red carpet. And for a hot second, I was like, who's that? Who is that? Billie Eilish. She looked fabulous. Yes, ma'am. Kiki Palmer, looking fabulous in Sergio Hudson, giving homage to none other, Miss Ross. Had I not known Kiki, I would have said, is that Diana Ross's daughter? Kiki Palmer gave me Miss Ross. Lived for it. The hair, the earrings, the dress, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the kind of hair I like when I'm not having a bun. Yeah. There was nothing to be said. Chocolate, dripping in gold, glistening in gold. I just shut all the way down. I was like, Kiki, I mean, hello. Welcome back to the red carpet. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. Nothing to be said. Absolutely nothing to be said. She killed this look. Kim Kardashian in Balenciaga. Kim Kardashian is American culture to me. So she can wear anything and she can still pass. I don't know who was on the red carpet with her. Was that Kanye? I don't know. Apparently they're trying to patch things up. And I'm all for it because they've got 4 beautiful children. Head to toe in black. She had done this look earlier on in the week. And so when she walked down the red carpet, it wasn't a total surprise. I love it. It's different. It's crazy. It's weird. It's bold. It's in your face. I love it. The only thing I would say is that wasn't she hot underneath there. And I know once she got into the party, she had full-on glam. Maybe she touched up. Yeah. But I loved it. I loved it on Kim, and it was extremely unexpected. But I lived for it. Yeah. Megan Monroe, also known as Megan Thee Stallion. Beautiful. She was wearing Coach and she looked fantastic. She had actually flown from London, where I'm at. She was performing in London and she had flown all the way for the Met Gala. And when she was interviewed, she said, yes, this was her vibes. This is what she wanted to give. She wanted to give old Hollywood out the back. Hence, she had the Veronica Lake waves and it was full on Hollywood glam, giving homage to Marilyn Monroe. And she called herself Megan Monroe, and I am here for it. This is the most cleaned up look I have seen her in, period. Gorgeous, giving us what? Body. And I love it. Loved everything about it. Absolutely glamorous. Love the extended eye wing. I loved the makeup. Beautiful, gorgeous, not too much jewelry, earrings, and that was it. And the dress was like a blush pink, embellished again in rhinestones. Her pink nails, beautiful. Her little bag to go, and she had all of the rouge and it was switched up to the side. 100% feminine. It really just gave me 1940s glam. All the way showboat. Megan Monroe, you are a babe. Riri, also in Balenciaga, she came with her boyfie. I liked it. It looked like a blanket, like she just came up and said, let me just do a little something, something, and I'll come on through. I liked it. Sometimes you don't have to be all snatched up in the waist. She's giving us that look. And Riri is very edgy. That's what I love about her. Boyfie wore like a knitted blanket. I wasn't feeling it that much. And then in some way, shape or form, it kind of went alongside with what she was wearing. Love the black. I love the, whoosh. For me, it was regal. Again, Black America, American culture, American pop culture, but make it fashion with the embodies, with the rhinestones. Yes, America is big, America's bold, America's unapologetic, America's glam. And I got that vibe from Rihanna. Lived for it. Ciara was wearing Peter Dundas. Lived for it. I thought it was fantastic. Again, sport. What does her husband do? There you go. American culture. There you go. Cut it out from the side because she's just dropped her third baby and she looks fantastic. I love the hair. I love the number 3. It was so very well thought out. She just looked like a popsicle in a very, very, very good way. Even her clutch was a baseball. It was in homage to American culture. Check that box. And then check to her husband. It was beautiful. And then of course the number 3. And she has 3 kids on top of that. Ciara, this was nice. This was nice. I loved it. Kendall Jenner, loved it. Showgirl, that's what it gave me. This was in homage to My Fair Lady, the feature film, and the show actress there, of course, was Audrey Hepburn. She's got the body, she's got the height, everything and anything looks nice on her. Just gorgeous. Givenchy. The designer of the house right now is her friend. They hung out all summer, so they were sketching back and forth, and I loved what they came up with. I just loved it from head to toe. Absolutely beautiful. I would wear this dress. Gorgeous. Kate Hudson, Michael Kors. Love it. Simple. Beautiful. Just had a baby. Love the pink. Love it. She's part of American culture. Her mom, her dad. She's Hollywood. I absolutely love her vibe. The dress for me gave me fabulosity. There was a lot of pink on the red carpet. That blush, that soft pink, that glam pink, everything about it with the diamonds dripping, the hair pulled back. It was effortless to me. Again, it's something that I would wear, and then I would pair it up with a big blowy white shirt, go out for dinner with Ula, and I thought that, you know what, yeah, Michael Kors did a fantastic job. Last but not the least, Miss Jennifer Lopez in Ralph Lauren ate the red carpet. There was nothing about this that I did not love. It was beautiful. She came with Ben. Ben gave her her moment on the red carpet first before he came to join her. Everything about it. Ralph Lauren is the epitome of American fashion, of American fashion designers. And this really was the cowgirl, the ultimate cowgirl, the ultimate babe, the ultimate queen of the red carpet. She knows her angles. She knows how to work the camera. The paparazzi know her. And when they call her to the left, when they call her to the right, she's giving a look. This was beautiful. And she took off her shrug and gave body. She is really knocking it out of the park. The body is snatched. I have to applaud her for her consistency when it comes to glamour puss, when it comes to fashion and style. She has that in droves, and she just snatched all of the trophies on the carpet and said, yeah, I'm here. Let me give it to you, before she strolled up in there. Lived for it. So I hope you enjoyed my top 10, my darlings. You let me know what were your favorites down in the comment section, and I will be back very, very soon, darlings. I've got all kinds of treats for you coming up, so don't forget to hit that notification button so that you get the notification bell. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and I will see you soon, my darlings. Thank you to We Are Africa for this fabulous blouse. It was so apropos, and yeah, I'm living, I'm loving. Mwah.